Hello, sellers. It's Kathy, and I love to be selling. Come on in, come on in. We're going to talk about eBay shipping. It's the hot topic today because of several things going on. So I'm going live just to help you guys out, and I've also got some great tips to help you. So please come on in, and we will get right to it. So I'm going to date this. This is December 4th, 2023, because the eBay Facebook groups are blowing up, and I'm sure the community boards are blowing up. And yes, right now, hi, Teresa, how are you? eBay shipping is down. And how do I know that eBay shipping is down? And I bring this up because sometimes what will happen is you go to print a label and you will get an error message. This happens to me, oh gosh, I'm going to say maybe every couple of weeks. And sometimes literally all I have to do is just clear cache cookies, reboot, or I just try again to print the label and then it prints. So in my mind, it's unclear whether it's eBay shipping or whether it's my computer acting up. I don't know. But oftentimes, if you do get an error like that, do clear cache cookies, reboot. And the other thing is you can click, it goes into another screen. Sometimes it'll say that, and I just go back and just click print label, and then it'll print. Okay. But this is not the case today. So the first thing always, yes, definitely go into groups wherever you like to get your knowledge. Go on the community board and see if people are posting. Are you alone? And if you are, if everybody else like, oh, I'm shipping, I'm not having a problem at all, is clear cache cookies on your computer, your laptop, however you're doing it, and reboot your system. This is true anytime you run into any kind of glitch where I might be having problems uploading pictures on eBay. This will happen sometimes. Problems doing an edit on eBay. For some reason, I can't send a message to a buyer on eBay. You know, all kinds of things like that is just to start, before I start going, oh, eBay, it could be me. So clear cache cookies, reboot. Next step, if that doesn't work, and everybody else seems to be fine and I'm the one that's got the problem, is try a different browser. eBay does recommend Chrome. If you're not aware of this, Chrome is eBay's browser of choice. But every now and then my Chrome is just really acting up. For some reason, Chrome and my pictures sometimes really act up. And I just do better in Firefox or Opera or something. So do try that. And the other thing is, if you're not aware of this, and let me go there, is eBay has a system status page. And all you got to do is Google eBay system status. Thank you, Teresa. And this will pull up. And you'll see current system status. Now, just to let you know, sometimes I do go here and clearly on the board, something's going on, like pictures aren't uploading. Years ago, we had a thing where all of a sudden eBay just dumped a lot of pictures for a lot of sellers, and it will not show in system status. But today with the shipping, it does show. eBay is acknowledging there's problems with the shipping. So then the next question is, and this reminds me of dealing with my cable company, is my cable will go out, my Wi-Fi will go out, which for a seller is no fun. Sometimes they'll say it's just a system update, you'll have it back in an hour, and typically it is back in an hour. But we had a couple of outages in the past month where they don't tell you when you're going to get it back. So then it's like, because of course it's on days where you have a lot of stuff to ship, is, you know, and you're just sitting there praying that you get your cable back. So it's the same thing with the shipping, is if you have a one business day handling and you go into ship and eBay shipping is down, and it's down at the time when you typically do your shipping. And this is the thing that's challenging for people that are a full-time seller, or they're in their offices or pretty much all day, or they have access to their shipping all day, or somebody has access to their shipping all day. You know, when the system comes back up, assuming it comes back up in 3 to 4 hours, you can get your labels printed, get it on your packages, and get it out the door. What's tough right now is it's the holiday season. So everybody is like, you know, working, shipping, all hands on deck, and the system goes out. Do I want to wait and see if it comes back in half an hour, or do I want to jump ship and go somewhere else? And there are other services that you can use to print postage. Pirate Ship comes to mind because their rates are very competitive, okay? And it's free to get an account, and their rates are very competitive. You can also import your eBay sales to pirate ships. So take a look at that. If you've got a stamps.com account, you can import your eBay listings to stamps.com and print that way. And of course, there is work involved because you're having to import your orders, and this is making more work for you, but you will get your shipping out within your stated handling time. And then some sellers, my multi-channel seller friends, are on Shipping Easy, and I'm sure they're already printing and shipping their labels that way. Okay. Then the question arises, is eBay going to hold me liable if I ship tomorrow? Today's Monday. Am I going to be liable? Am I going to get dinged? Because late shipping, if you have a 1-day handling time, and today is the day for your 1 day, so tomorrow would make you late, am I going to get dinged? And the question is, I don't know. It really is going to be up to eBay. Now, clearly the system is down. I do not know, though, if it comes back within business hours for people, if they're going to hold people liable for the 1-day handling. So what you can do if you choose not to jump ship, and my recommendation honestly would be to jump ship. Just go to Pirate Ship, go to Stamps, go to Shipping Easy, go to wherever you would like to do your shipping and print your labels. Yes, it's making extra work for you, but just get your labels printed, get your items out, and get them out. It's the holidays. Get them out. If you cannot do that, it's like you have very limited time today. You were planning on doing eBay shipping. You don't have time to set up a pirate ship account or a Stamps account, or you just don't have time. What I would encourage you to do is screenshot the error message you're getting. Screenshot the service outage. You would think, yes, eBay knows they have a service outage. Screenshot what you see. So that way, if you are dinged for late shipping, if you're shipping tomorrow, you have a leg to stand on, and you can say, I wanted to ship with eBay. I was all set up to ship with eBay. I have another job, or I had to leave the house. I had other plans, whatever. And during the time I was ready to do my shipping, the shipping was down, and then respectfully ask for the dings to be removed. I do not know if they will. It is worth asking. Okay. But my recommendation is jump ship and print your shipping somewhere else. The original topic I was going to stream on, and I do want to include, is because it's already happening for me, and this happens quite a bit at the holidays, and it'll also happen during the year, is you get the dreaded message, where is my package? And it's not the customer where they literally bought it 5 minutes ago or a day ago, and they're expecting the package to pop in their mailbox somehow within 24 hours, and they didn't pay for overnight shipping. Is the great thing about doing, oh, by the way, and when you're importing your orders, if you don't import your orders, if you're somehow getting postage somewhere else, realize you've got to get all those delivery confirmations, copy and paste them, and put them into your eBay shipping. Okay, so that you've got a record that you shipped today. If you do import the orders to the various places, Stamps, Pirate Ship, it'll automatically load to your eBay account. So I just want to bring that up, because somebody's looking for their order and they may not be aware of how eBay works, is they have the delivery confirmation, like many websites, right there in their eBay. Okay. And I will direct them there, but I will also go to the order in my eBay. I will click the delivery confirmation number, and it shows the whole history of where the package is. Like, I'm in New York, so it's been accepted in New York. It then went to the hub in Jersey City, and now it's on its way to Chicago or Miami or wherever it is. And literally, I don't even need to screenshot it. I'll just copy and paste it, and I'll put it in the message to them. And I'll say, click the delivery confirmation number. This is the status of your order, and done. And just say, if you click the delivery confirmation number that's in my eBay, you will be able to see this. Step 1. Step 2, and this actually just happened to me, where a buyer who bought an item from me like 8 days ago messages me, where's my item? And I go, So I go and I look, and sure enough, what has happened to their item is, I call it the Bermuda Triangle, where it left New York. It went, and this was a buyer in Las Vegas. It went to Las Vegas, and I don't know what they're doing in Las Vegas, but it's literally like it shows scanned in Las Vegas, and then there's like a day delay, and then scanned in Las Vegas. It's like stuck. It's not getting to the route that it's supposed to get to, and it's not getting to the postal employee it's supposed to get to. When you see that happen, this happened to me once shipping, I believe, to Texas. For some reason, the item went from New York to New Jersey. Jersey's a shipping hub for the New York area. To Maine, it went up to Maine. And then I think it went to Chicago. It was like making the rounds up in the northern parts of the United States instead of going to where it belonged. If you're not aware of this, when you see that, when you see an item, it's either been misscanned or it's been put in the wrong bin. Something has happened to it on the route. And you can see where it's going, and the buyer can see where it's going, which is where it's going everywhere but to them. And buyers will often think that you have a personal relationship with the USPS. And I just say to them I will check on it for you. And this is what I do. I go to the USPS website, okay? When you go to the USPS website, if you're not aware of this, and they have it right on the main landing page, you can put in search or track packages and put the delivery confirmation in there, and then you hit search. It will show you exactly what is going on eBay. It's exactly the same, okay? However, once you've entered it, you have the ability to ask for updates, and this is what you want. Sign up for the update. You can sign up to get the update by email or text. It's totally up to you. I typically do email. I just find that easier than having my phone blow up with more texts. Now, this is something I learned from another seller, and I don't remember who. So if you've posted this as a tip, good for you, but I just can't remember who I learned this from. It asks for your name and your email. So in the name field, I put my name, Kathy, and then I put the missing item, okay? Black Nike shirt, green eBay bottle, whatever it is. I put it in the name field so I know what I'm tracking, because sometimes it's more than one item. I'm searching the green bottle for one buyer, and then I'm searching the Nike shirt for another buyer. So I put in my name, and then in the name field, either shorthand or something, so you'll know what it is, what the item is. So my name, Kathy, green bottle, Kathy, Nike shirt, whatever it is, and then my email, and then I ask for the update. And the reason I do that is I will get the email for Kathy Nike shirt, for Kathy green bottle, and I know what the update is for. So for instance, I logged one. I was actually really pleased with USPS because I got the message from the buyer on Saturday, right? Which, not a great day to be going on the USPS site. They're typically, you're going to get faster action Monday through Friday, but I said, I'll check on it for you. And I'm so sorry for the USPS delayed shipping, right? It's always USPS because it is them. They have the package. So I go on the USPS website, I enter the item, and I get the update, exactly where the item is, what's going on. However, the next day, and this is what was so interesting to me because it was Sunday, it says the item will be out for delivery Monday. And then Monday, I got another email saying the item is now out for delivery. So when I got the Sunday email from the USPS, I screenshotted it and I messaged it through eBay messages, because you can send pictures through eBay messages. And I said, the USPS has responded to my inquiry about your order, and your item is scheduled to be delivered to you Monday. Thank you so much for contacting me. Okay. So again, I'm not taking responsibility for the delivery, but I am furnishing great customer service because I'm checking on the package because they're concerned about it. Because it's like, where is my package? Okay. Is go on the USPS website. For some reason, it seems to many times sort of jiggle it loose, or it forces an update on the package, and then it sort of moves it along its merry way. Okay. So that's what you do when they say, where is it? And you look in the system. It's not that it shows it's delivered. You can see that it's in transit, but it's a weird delivery, like it's gone missing somewhere. Or if it's a buyer that thinks packages like are going to show up in their mailbox within 24 hours of ordering it, you just very nicely copy and paste what the USPS shows so far, and you refer them to the delivery confirmation they have in their eBay messages, and just say, if you just check on that, It's going to show you exactly where the item is, and you're going to be able to check it for yourself. Okay. And as we're in the holiday selling season, and there's still a couple of weeks to grab some great holiday sales, is be sure to hop over to my website, and you get to hear New York City sirens in the background. I love to be selling.com, and grab my free guide, the eBay Sellers 12 Days of Christmas Holiday Money Making Tips, because there's plenty of shopping going on this week and next week. And I've got 12 tips that'll help you to get the very, very best amount of sales that you can get for your eBay selling, so that you have just an absolutely fabulous holiday selling season. Okay, great. I'm Kathy, and I love to be selling. Thanks so much for joining me, everybody. Thank you for following me on my Facebook business page. I love to be selling. I so appreciate those of you that subscribe to my YouTube channel, Kathy Terrell. I love to be selling. You've downloaded my podcast. I'm closing in on 90,000 downloads. I certainly appreciate you all so, so much. Bye-bye, everybody. Hey, Rick, good to see you.